Morning, everyone. It's Thursday, which means it's continuing an initial claims day. This is your pre-opening comment, and it's video number 366. And again, I remind you, if you like the work, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, so Asia is up a little, Europe is down a little, and initial claims for unemployment came in better than expected. The expectation was 1.42 million, and they came in at 1.186. So it's not actually better. It's less worse because 1.2 million people still filing for initial claims is not a good number. It's a continuation of week after week after week of over a million claims. Continuing claims were down in a minor way. They are 16,107,000. And when these two numbers came out, the Dow futures were down about 100. Right now, the implied open is down only $7.50. The S&P is only a minor lower open, as is the NASDAQ. Now, the chart on the screen is, of course, the US dollar index. We made a minor nominal new low at 92.47.5. About a week ago, this number was 92.53. No, 92.51 even. And so we're really trying to bounce as we have all the way down. Now we've put in the resistance, what I thought was going to be 95.96. We now have some resistance here at 94 also. The high here is 93.98. So dollar trying to hold. We'll have to see. In the meantime, the gold made another new intraday high today, and right now is up $28. What's even more extreme is the silver. While the gold is up just under 1%, the silver is massively higher, trading 28.21. And that number is up $1.30. So that's a pretty extreme number. And this is, the way that commodities traded, as I remember. To discuss here, we had the breakout at $20, and then we had this move to 26, followed by a consolidation move all the way down to 22, so a halfway pullback. We came down and tested it and didn't go below it and started right back up. So this move probably could extend as high as, let's see, 20.5 to 26 and the pullback. So we could have a move here maybe as high as $30. Okay, on the news front and earnings, we have Bausch Health, BHC, and the stock missed on both top and bottom line, had closed at 1957, and this is exactly why I don't play earnings. With that miss, the stock has traded as high as 26.70. The last is 23.63, which is up about $7 or 30% on the news that they are going to spin out their eye care business. Mylan beat on earnings, missed slightly on revenues. The stock closed yesterday at $16.90. It's traded both as high as $17.27 and as low as $16.70. The last is $17.05, and that's up 15 cents. Denali, DN, NKLA. They have a Parkinson's drug, and they're going to be moving towards phase 3 trials in the near future. The drug is showing some promise, or it wouldn't be in phase 3. The stock closed yesterday 23.24 and has traded as high as 31.99 today so far, but the last is 30.35, up 7.11, or about 29%. ADTX stock closed yesterday at $3.85, and this morning has an announcement on COVID. I mean, this is 1999 all over again, where instead of adding .com to your name, you say you're doing COVID research. The stock traded as high as 1040. It's currently 760, and that's up 375, or almost 100%. Bristol Myers beat top and bottom line and gave good guidance. The stock is trading 61.60, up $1.91, or 3.2%. Costco, as I mentioned last night, had really good numbers. Last night it was up about $3. This morning it's trading $3.46, up a little over $6. And a favorite that you heard here first, back when it was $20 or $21, VIAC, Viacom CBS, beat both top and bottom line, and the stock is trading $27.76. That's up $1.76, or 6.8%. This is one of the stocks that I favored on page 4 of the market letter for stocks with total return and the availability of options to write to both hedge and create further income. Another one on that same page is CTL, which also beat yesterday and is trading at around 10.15, which is up about 45 cents. So that's where we are. The Dow's implied open is down 752. The NASDAQ is down about 7, and the S&P are down just a touch. The yen is down. The euro is down. S&P is now unchanged, but has a $4.77 fair value, so it looks to be opening down about 4 3/4. All right, everyone, be careful out there. It's a pretty extreme market, and one never knows when we're going to get bad news. Right now, the Democrats and Republicans are busy bickering, and they go on break next week. So unless something gets done today or tomorrow, I would expect to see some downside in the market on the basis of no resolution. Okay, everyone, have a good one. I'll be back later.